no, for inviting us at PXT program, for recognizing their achievements, and also for continuing na subaybayan yung mga iba-iba nating mga programa pa sa SBP. Sana po patuloy ang support ng lahat, especially sa mga home games natin this coming August. Very important games for us. We really want to open the second round with 2 wins on August 28 and the 30th. So we are expecting no less than full crowd to support Gilas Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Erica B, Executive Director ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Let's continue cheering on our Gilas Pilipinas basketball teams, both sa 3x3 and 5on5. This has been your PSA Sports Forum. God bless. Thank you, everyone.
Good session. Very good, Jerry Ramos, mas kilig ka.